Hello and welcome. Today, we're checking out the 2019 Maisto 164 Diecast Audi A6, a beautifully crafted miniature of Audi's luxury sedan. Even at this small scale, Maisto has done a great job capturing the sleek lines and elegant design of the real A6. The metallic paint gives it a premium look, while details like the signature Audi front grille, headlights, and alloy-style wheels add to its authenticity. Though compact, this model still showcases the refined styling that makes the A6 such an iconic executive car. Perfect for collectors and Audi enthusiasts, this 1/64 scale diecast is a great addition to any collection. If you love miniature cars, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more diecast reviews. Stay tuned for more awesome models.